Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview COSYSPA Inflatable Hot Tub 2 to 6 person capacity. The CosySpa Personal Hot Tubs have been designed for extreme comfort and relaxation at home. This hot tub features a filtration kit and air pump for simple and straightforward maintenance and assembly. The hot tub can be assembled in just minutes, allowing you to begin heating your spa system almost instantly. Available with a range of additional high-end accessories, including a comfort set that is comprised of a drinks holder and 2 headrests, as well as an optional inflatable lid and filters for improved cleanliness. Relax in style with the luxury CosySpa Hot Tub. Product benefits: includes a 600-watt air pump, filter and cartridge included, manufactured from a combination of hard-wearing PVC fabric and aluminium foil. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.